hii nchi ndio kwetu nyumbani. Na Biblia inasema katika kitabu cha Matendo ya Mitume ya kwamba Mungu ndiye alitengeneza mataifa mbalimbali na lugha mbalimbali, na akafanya mipaka na akaamrisha mahali watu mbalimbali wataishi. That is what the book of Acts says. 19:26. It is God who caused different societies, communities, groups, languages, and nations to be established in different places. And he put boundaries and decided who will be where. So for us as the people of Kenya, we don't have another home. This is the only home we have. So Bishop, you are helping us to know that this is our country. We must protect it. We must make sure it is safe. And whenever we have issues and we are talking to each other, let's be moderate, because there is tomorrow. Let us not damage relationships that have been built for centuries just because of small issues here and there. Ni kweli si kweli? Ni kweli si kweli? So let us treasure our homeland. Let us love our country, and let us say there are things we cannot do, not because of anything else, not because we fear, but because we love our homeland and we want our country to be safe. Na watu wanaona fireman akiongea hivi wanafikiri sijui nini. My friend, kama tulishinda siku ile Uhuru Kenyatta alikuwa mstakiwa Hague wakiwa na William Ruto, hii ya next year ni mambo kidogo, my friend. Just pray for good health peke yake, na Mungu tu, kibali ya Mwenyezi Mungu. The rest is easy. Kuna watu watashangaa, because the Bible tells us God humbles the proud and God raises those who are humble. Ni kweli si kweli? Ni fire si fire? Kwa hivyo hakuna problem kabisa. Now we are all together. We are one community, one country, and we don't have another home to go to. Na sisi zote ni ndugu moja, from coast to western, from northeastern to Rift Valley to central. This Kenya is our homeland, and we must protect it and love it and be peaceful.